Hello, welcome to our Experimenting with Science channel. Today's experiment is, how would we communicate if there was no sound? Is sound coming? Our materials, a beverage bottle, nylon tape, a candle, matches, and scissors. First, we cut the bottom of the bottle like this. We cover the cut bottom of the bottle with nylon and tape it so that no air can enter. Then we light our candle. Now by hitting the back of the bottle, we try to extinguish the candle. Now, let's try to extinguish the candle we lit from a further distance. You can also try this. Test from which distance you are able to extinguish the candle.